Hausmessen finde ich perfekt, weil man sich
I think in-house exhibitions are perfect because you can get information about the machines and you can have a look at the company which is building them. Of course, you also get to meet colleagues who are using similar machines. I think it's a great idea having in-house exhibitions.
Bei dieser Hausmesse stellen wir
Today at our in-house exhibition, we are presenting the first two FZ33 compact machines.
die FZ33 Kompakt ist eine
The FZ33 Compact is a new product development, which came to life through many discussions with customers. With this compact machine, we seek to offer our customers the best possible cost-performance ratio.
anbieten zu können.
The first impression of the FZ33 Compact is really great. We couldn't have imagined it any better. This machine doesn't necessarily need a large foundation, but at the same time, it's very flexible and shows great performance in production. That's exactly what we've always been looking for. It really looks very sturdy and solid since it is a compact machine. The monoblock construction gives us the flexibility to set up this machine at various locations.
Wenn ich mir die Teile anschaue und das Fräsergebnis sehe.
When I look at the pieces and see the milling results, I must say, this is really great machining. I can definitely imagine this being a great solution for our needs.
Eine sehr gute Lösung wäre.
Warum Zimmermann?
Why Zimmermann? Well, we've been working with Zimmermann machines for 15 years now. Their service is perfect, and the machines are very reliable. After all these years, our machines have accumulated a huge amount of spindle hours, and they're always taking us a big step forward.
Das ganze Stück immer vorwärts.